There's lots to find at the library. You have access to print and ebooks, print magazines and journals, and big collections of magazine and journal subscriptions online called databases that you generally will not find out on the open internet. We also have laptops for in-library use, Chromebooks that you can check outside of the library, and quiet study rooms for your studying. Your library has reference librarians also available anytime the library is open. We can help you build effective search strategies and look in the best places to find information, and also help you cite that information. We've also put together websites to help you succeed on your course exams and assignments. These are called research guides. These guides will point you in the direction of suggested books, databases, websites, and other sources to help you complete your assignments. Let's navigate to the political science guides right now. We'll start on the library's homepage, library.elgin.edu. From there, we're going to go to the research guides. The guides are listed alphabetically by course subject. We're going to go down to political science. To find the appropriate guide, look for your course code. In some cases, you will want to look for the exam number for the course that you're in. And also notice there's a research guide for certain assignments, such as the scavenger hunt, and also making an annotated bibliography in Chicago-style format. Let's go to the guide for Exam 4 for POS 150, National Government. On these guides, you are going to find specific resources, either in print or online. They're going to help you answer the questions from the exams. You will also find pages for certain assignments, and that will have resources for you to complete those assignments, such as the articles that you need to read for the Follow the Footnote assignment, and resources and search strategies for The Revolution Will Not Be Televised. So you want to look and see if there's an assignment tab for what you're working on. Also, each research guide is going to have citation help, so you can see how to format your citations correctly in Chicago style. We're going to ask and answer a question together. What is constructive possession? We're going to use the reference book West's Encyclopedia of American Law. A reference book, such as an encyclopedia or dictionary, is meant to introduce you to a topic with a basic definition or a brief overview. You aren't reading reference books all the way through like you would a chapter book. You're just consulting them with a certain topic in mind. This is a 10-volume set, and it's going to be set up alphabetically. We're going to look then in Volume 3, which has COM through DOR. Constructive possession should be underneath it. And here's an alphabetical picture of the entries that are in here. We have constructive eviction and constructive trust. Oh no, we do not see constructive possession. What happened? Sometimes when you're researching, you want to look at a broad category for finding information rather than the specific term, at least to start out with. For instance, instead of trying to find information on type 2 diabetes, look up diabetes and then see how a book or a source discusses both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Instead of iPhone, try to look up smartphones or technology. In this case, instead of constructive possession as our term, let's try possession. We're going to take this search tip into Volume 8 of the same reference book, and if we look up possession, it should be here in the PO to SA ends. If we look for the word possession, we see the main entry here inside of this reference book, and then it lays out in the entry different types of possession, including constructive possession. So if you're looking in a source that you think should have the answer and you don't see it, try experimenting with your search terms and look for that broader category. Great job. What I want you to take away from this video is that we have a lot of materials and resources that are going to help you succeed in your classes. Please take advantage of them and keep in mind that we librarians can help you build the best searches and make sure you're looking in the right places for information. Don't forget about the research guides for your class, and then if one way you're trying to find information does not work, persevere and try another way. Experiment with your search. There are many ways that you can contact the reference librarian. You can come in and visit us at the reference desk in Building C, and we have phone and email here as well. To use some of the resources off campus, to check out the laptops, you will need a library card, and you can see the information for the circulation desk to be able to set that up. Thank you very much.